When you combine music and movement, children don't just have great physical fun. They develop their coordination, sense of balance, concentration, and all other crucial cognitive abilities. Through curated musical games, children's brains are also engaged in the areas associated with speaking, reading, and writing skills. Clever Classical Kids is a therapy-informed music appreciation and movement program for children from grade 00 to grade R, developed alongside a registered occupational therapist and music therapist. Founded in 2018, this interactive curriculum is presented weekly in a fun and creative class setting specifically developed for the foundation phase. Teachers receive structured training as well as a handbook for presenting music in the classroom. Clever Classical Kids is an easy-to-teach, plug-and-play curriculum that requires no particular musical training or musical ear from the educator, making it easy to implement in any context. Clever Classical Kids has been developed over the past 9 years by classical musician and arts producer Magdalene Minnaar, who through her own experience as a mother felt the need to provide quality early music education that is fun but also informed, well-researched and age-appropriate. Clever Classical Kids. Quality early music education made easy.